Bro, I didn't even know it was you in that, dog. Yeah. Wait, like, is this yours or?
Yeah. Run some shit over like all the trees and shit. Just run them over.
You want to ride this? Come now, huh? Yes, sir. Bro, that thing is funny.
You didn't even ride it like you're supposed to.
Hey, I was scared. I didn't want to f it up. I was scared I was going to hit like a tree stump and it just stopped. Yo, he's literally running. Damn, that shit don't get stuck at all.
We went into the big dick.
For real? I seen y'all got muddy as hell. Alright, gang, I think we're about to go mudded. They couldn't even hit the turn, bro. Yo, that's what I was scared of happening when I was on the freaking, when I was driving that thing.
God damn.
It's a big ass freaking, it's a big stump right there. Woo, I feel like freaking Hayden Deegan in the sand section in Supercross right now. It's called a Polaris Ace.
That's like a fucking four-wheeler with a roll cage and a steering wheel.
Bro, it's the most fun thing ever to ride. Like,
It looks cool.
it's so fun.
Fucking ass.
You can just full throttle it through the trails. It ain't really trying to flip or nothing. So
So it's like ground heavy. It's not really top heavy.
I don't. Yeah, not he like. I guess he put wider wheels on it and it helped a lot. So
Oh yeah, that is the company. That thing is fucking cool. Nah, it's rear wheel drive. Oh yeah.
you got it. Oh! You almost freaking flipped that thing, bro. Bro, so close. There he goes. I want to see if I can get up that thing, bro. I'm good. Bro, I'm about to jump. Bro, yeah, bro, I was about to jump and I see him right here. I'm like, woo! Oh, that was gnarly. It's good? Wait, you lost the gas cap? No! Bro, they literally lost the gas cap. That's hilarious.
Hey, just I be holding it to the floor.
I need the seatbelt on.
Yeah, the seatbelt. Without the seatbelt, you fly everywhere.
I was scared I was gonna fly forward. I didn't know it had this.
It's so weird, though. It's gonna feel so weird because it's not like a four-wheeler. You see, on a four-wheeler, you can shift your weight.
No, yeah.
And in this, you're just kind of stuck. So you just kind of have to like.
You're on for the ride, baby.
Yeah, you just gotta ride through it.
Yo, we're going. Yo! Yo, bro. We really mobbing. Oh! Bro, we're flying. Alright, if we flip, we gotta put the hand, keep the hands in. Whoa! Let's much faster. The boy's ripping. This shit is so fun though.
I know, I love that.
Oh my, dude. Yeah, bro, it handles it perfect.
Dude, with the stock shock, with the shocks wasn't blown out. Man, so
Oh, bro,
better.
when I hit the bump out there, I was like, don't. Holy. Are you stuck? Oh. I thought you were stuck. There's people back there. Yeah. Bro, it was so fun riding that little go-kart thing. I look, you want to get one now.
Over here mudding it up.
No, yeah, they're a little slower, right? There's a little.
Slow as hell.
Hey, somebody got flipped right there. Somebody can help him. Yeah.
Somebody flipped?
With a flip.
Oh, look, somebody flipped over.
No, they already helped them.
Yeah, we help him, yeah.
Oh, I thought you said we need to help him.
No, we help him. Yeah, we got it. That's why we took the loss.
There. Unk on his blaster. Give him that smoke. He wanted a high five, but I didn't want to get too close to that freaking thing. To this to his cart. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm so focused right now. What is that? He got something in his hand. I think his bike's falling apart. Yo, but this is the guy who has the stop sign under his bike. He got the stop sign under his bike. Look at that. Let's go.